guys. What's up? How's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making a melon and mint kind of salad. Mine's pretty simple compared to maybe some. I don't know. I think it's a pretty simple salad, but yeah, all you need is watermelon or mini melon. Either one works. A nice big bowl, some mint that's already washed and everything, a little bit of lemon juice, or you can use a real lemon, and some olive oil. So we'll start off by cutting the mini melon. Now again, I am not a chef, so don't come at me if, my technique is wrong, or, if you would do it a different way. Like, I'm not a chef, so, but yeah, anyway, with that being said, we will get into cutting our melon. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I have my melon cut. I learned from actually a job that I did a few years back, working in produce, is how to cut a watermelon, because I had to make trays, like fruit trays, to sell. Yeah, I'll show you how I did that. You might already know this technique, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So what I would do is I would take 1/2 of the melon. So you start always with 1/2. You take your knife and you just kind of like cut off the skin, like down the skin here. As I shake everything. Okay, so you just kind of cut on the sides. Whew. Just get all the green and the white off. Okay, and you're gonna get some of the melon on the skin coming off. It's just normal. But yeah, so just cut all the way around it, getting all the white and green. Okay, so okay, so once you have all of it cut off, then you just kind of flip it to get this part off here, and you just cut down here. Okay, and kind of just shave off any white or green that's left over. Okay, and you have one. Now give me 2 seconds. I'm just going to throw out the scraps here. Okay, and then you just cut this one into little chunks. So I just kind of go like this, just kind of go down, okay? And then what I do is I turn it and I do the same on this side. So it makes it a little bit easier to do, okay? And then it actually kind of just like sort of breaks apart. So they are kind of like longer kind of pieces, but it works. You can always cut them smaller if you want. So like if you want, you can go, oh, just kind of, there we go. And then they're smaller pieces. Okay, and we just put it into the bowl. Okay. Just kind of slide it all in there. Alright. So there's the first half in there. And like honestly, you could just do like 1/2 at a time if you want. I'm actually going to do both halves. Just that way it's all prepped and ready for me for the week. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on this one as I did on the other half. Okay, so now that we have our watermelon all set up in our nice bowl, we're going to chop up our mint. And then I'm gonna put in a little bit of lemon juice. I'm just gonna do just a little bit here. Then I'm gonna put some extra virgin olive oil on it, just a little bit, not a lot. I don't feel like you need a lot of everything, like moderation is just better. Okay. So we got all of our ingredients in here. You can add a little bit of salt to bring out the flavors, which I actually might add. Yeah, give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna grab my salt. Okay, so this is sea salt, just normal sea salt. I'm not gonna put a lot in just because it's normally stronger than normal salt. So as you can see, it's just like just a little bit. Okay. Sprinkle that on. All right. Got my tongs. Now you can mix it with anything. I'm just using tongs. Alrighty, guys, and there you have it. I know I have like some spots on my hoodie. Clearly, it's just a relaxation day today, so don't judge me. But yeah, so this is the salad. Let's try it out here. You have to definitely have a piece of mint in there with it. So let's try it. That is really good. And honestly, I feel about like it tastes so good. I think it would be even better once it's in the fridge for a little while. The watermelon actually and the mint both help with anxiety, and that's a big reason why I wanted to show this recipe, this really quick, easy recipe. So with the watermelon, it's actually really high in like vitamin B6. It's able to help relieve stress and anxiety. And like if you suffer from like panic attacks and all that kind of thing, watermelon is really good for that. It's just more of a calming kind of food to eat. And then like the mint kind of does the same thing. It just relaxes like your mind and your body. Mint, if you have like digestive issues or if you feel like kind of nauseous or sick, when you get like anxiety or anxiety attacks or just stress, the mint will help with that. It'll help calm your stomach. So it is a very calming, easy kind of food salad to have when you are having anxiety, and also it tastes really good. So if you have a major sweet tooth like I do, this is going to help. It's going to take care of it like it does for me, and mine's like big sweet tooth. Again, things don't always just work instantly, but give it a try. Let me know down in the comments if you guys enjoyed it and if it helped your anxiety. I hope it does. So that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got something from it, took away something positive from it. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe buttons down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Remember, you are loved and appreciated. Bye.